A lot of confidence behind that shot by Vince Hizon.
Pang-apat na yun. Pang-apat na triple by Vince Hizon.
Yes.
Hindi pa yata nagbimintis from 3-point range. Yes, he's going 4 out of 4 from 3-point distance.
72 all. Ito po ay pang lima nating tablahan dito sa larong ito. Tingnan po natin. Ito talagang puno-puno ng kumpiyansa. Walang tao sa ilalim. Although parating na si Marlo Aquino. Ayun, si Vince Hizon binitawan ng 3-point shot. Samantala si Johnny Abarrientos binigay kay Merwin Castelo. Abarrientos. Sinasalubong ni Val David. Johnny, nice head-up! And there's that slam dunk by Chris Bolado. Yun!
Yun rin naman.
Pahiyaw-hiyaw ni Chris Bolado.
Chris Bolado.
Galing po yan ang Lukbang Quezon.
Ito rin naman si Hizon. Hindi na pumasok yung kanyang 3-point attempt. And once more, picking up the pace is Johnny Abarrientos.
Alaska on top by 2 at 74-72. 3 minutes and 25 seconds to go here in the third quarter. Johnny Abarrientos. Give it a pick by Chris Bolado. Johnny comes up with a jumper. Tingnan natin another look at this dunk by Chris Bolado of 2 plays ago. Abot ni Johnny Abarrientos. Inabot naman ni Chris Bolado ang ring. Pagkatapos, hiyaw! Hiyaw! Bata hiyaw! Time out.
Balik po tayo sa Araneta Coliseum. And the score, 76-72, 3:19 to go. Dito po sa third period. Kasama natin si Ed Pixon. Meron pa yatang hotdog sa loob ng kanyang bibig. Partner, sorry ha.
Ikaw naman, bilang mo ba?
At dinihis na kita.
Medyo nagutom tayo sa action dito sa Araneta Coliseum.
Ay talaga nakakagutom ito. But as far as the hunger factor is concerned, happy ang mga nandito sa Araneta Coliseum. I'm sure out there also watching from your homes and wherever you are, this game is really close and exciting.
Val David from the outside, missing. Merwin Castelo para sa rebound. Binigay kay Jeffrey Cariaso. Abarrientos to Hawkins. Castelo, the baseline drive. Binigay kay Chris Bolado. Wala. Ito nakapagtataka talaga rito Kinito, no? Ha? Ano yung kuha ng offensive rebound ng Alaska? Kanina sa first half, nakalamang ko sila sa Ginebra on offensive rebound despite the presence of the Twin Towers of Ginebra.
Yes, very clearly, yung dalawang malaking higante ng Ginebra San Miguel going to where the ball isn't. And they're being distracted by the teamwork of Alaska because they are making the extra pass.
Chris Bolado, hemmed in. Hawkins, dinabas kay Cariaso. They've got 10 on the shot clock. Abarrientos, 3-point shot!
Yun ang tinatawag natin composure under pressure.
Oo.
Alaska showing that it is definitely championship caliber.
7 puntos na naman ang lamang ng Alaska.
Oo, tsaka ang dami ng rally nitong Ginebra San Miguel. Hindi pa sila nakakalabang. And Harencio now connecting from the outside. That's his second triple.
8 points now for Pido Harencio. Sabi niya siguro, ako hindi naman ako kailangan maging flashing ngayon. Pupukul-pukul na ako galing sa labas. And the lead is down to 4 again at 79-75. We're in the third quarter, folks. 1 minute and 54 seconds left in this period. Cariaso. Castelo sumaksak. Yes. Naiwan bukas yung pinto sa likod. Cariaso. Tatawagan ng foul naman si Pido Harencio right here in front of us.
Again, another turnover ng Ginebra San Miguel.
At pang-apat na rin yan ni Pido Harencio.
Yes, at hindi sila nag-iingat sa paghawak ng bola. And they are succumbing to the pressure of Alaska's defense.
6-point lead by Alaska at 81-75. Here's Abarrientos. At Pearl, inabutan po si Val David. O naiwanan si Val David at kaya po naman tinawagan siya ng foul, his third personal, so he tried to go after him.
No, kanina, the question that you asked, Ed, why the big men of Ginebra San Miguel parang wala sila sa rebounding position. Maganda kasi yung question nito ni Chris Bolado. You notice how far he is from the basket. And he's drawing the big man outside with him.
At that time, Marlo Aquino was right there for the rebound para sa Ginebra San Miguel. Val David naman ngayon, bumubulos o klaba kay Johnny Abarrientos. Sabaksak sa lobby naman kay EJ File.
Ayan ang tinatawag natin na Matt and Jeff combination.
Oo. 81-77. Still a 4-point lead by Alaska Milk with less than a minute to go here in the third period. Abarientos. Binigay kay Jeffrey Cariaso. There's a tap from Pino Harencio. Cariaso pa rin. Hawkins. Lets it go in a soft shot. EJ File para sa rebound para sa Ginebra San Miguel. Narito ngayon si Valdavid. Binababa ang bola para sa Ginebra. Vince Hison sa bandang kalawa against Merwin Castelo. Valdavid wants to set it up for Ginebra San Miguel. Pino Harencio versus Cariaso. There's a pick by EJ File. Harencio sees an opening. Subaksak sa loob. Binigay kay Marlo Aquino. Nakalangan. Binunatan ni Merwin Castelo. Hawkins.
Beautiful block, yes. And time was running out on Ginebra San Miguel's offensive clock.
It's on the fast break play. 83-77, 6-point lead. Uy! Another turnover for Ginebra San Miguel. Ito po ang ika ngayon, nagiging malagim na istorya para sa Ginebra San Miguel. Yung mga turnovers. Sinasabi mo nga kinito, hindi na iingatan ng bola.
Time running out here in this third quarter.
Castelo. Yes! At yan po ang istorya ng pangatlong yugto na labanang ito.
And let's review the scoring by periods, mga kaibigan. End the fourth period. Back in the third, a stalemate. 31 points apiece for Alaska at Ginebra. And Alaska enjoying an 8-point lead. The final 12 minutes of the game coming up.
Sabihin mo, kumakain na naman ako ng hotdog, ha?
Totoo.
Hindi na ubos nung huli. Okay, 85-77, an 8-point lead by Alaska. As we start the fourth quarter.
Partner Johnny Abarientos, who played a splendid third period, now resting on the bench. Kanya napakaganda ng timing ng substitution ni Coach Tinco sa laro na to. No, June Reyes is coming in and feels that may comfortable lead ang Alaska, so he can afford to have Abarientos sitting down for the moment.
Samantala si Robert Jaworski nasa loob po para sa Ginebra San Miguel as we start the fourth quarter. Bong Hawkins sees an opening, sumaksak sa loob, kabitawan ng bola. Oy, ano ba yun? Hindi tinawagan ng traveling yun.
Tama yun, because nabitawan ng bola. But anyway, no harm done. Ito na ang Ginebra San Miguel. Harencio missed three-pointer.
Samantala si Hawkins ako ang rebound, binigay kay Merwin Castelo. Nice pass by Lastimosa to Bolado.
And once more, Ed, yung transition basket, yung transition attack ng Alaska. Hindi nakababa ng depensa yung Ginebra San Miguel, and Chris Bolado, easy 2 points.
10-point lead once again for Alaska Milk. Pino Harencio, binubulabog ni Georgia Lastimosa, JB Gayoso. Sabi siya, walang safe shot para kay JB Gayoso. Ang lahat ng tira nito, medyo matatakot ka. Pero siya lang ang buong loob.
Oo, tsaka hindi natatakot si JB Gayoso, ha?
87-79. Hawkins top of the key. Wala. Gayoso gets the rebound.
Not a good shot there by Bong Hawkins.
Oo. Donnie looks in, trying to sidestep. Uy, pumasok, counted.
Yes, referee Ernie De Leon.
I was looking at Coach Dave Cone. He was just nodding his head.
Well, tama naman yung tawag, no? Take a look at, yes, may contact. Tapos, ito naman si Noli Locsin. Didn't take an extra step, neither an extra dribble. Kanya pinasok na yung bola. Counted.
And a three-point play opportunity here for Noli Locsin. Nakaka-24 puntos. Stays that way. 6-point lead for Alaska. 87-81 is the count. We have 10 minutes and 28 seconds to go in the ball game. Georgia Lastimosa. Merwin Castelo left quarter court. Castelo, wala. Hawkins, out of nowhere.
Yes, nakuha na naman ang offensive rebound ng Alaska. Castelo, uy. Looked like a dangerous foul.
Babungagsak si Merwin doon.
Jaworski is called for that foul. Masama ang pagsak ni Merwin Castelo on that baseline drive. Panoorin po natin muli.
Baka marunong naman bumagsak doon si Merwin.
Yun, that was a crash. Jaworski guilty of the foul, but no flagrant call from the referee.